make sure that you have a steady connection first of all. Then you can use any browser. You can use Microsoft Edge, you can use Opera Mini, you can use any browser of your choice. Okay, so for me, I like using Brave browser. Okay, so I'm going to use Brave browser. Then all you have to do is, there is a link in the description of this video, the first link. Click on the first link. So when you click on the first link, or you copy it, then come to your browser and paste it in your browser and click OK. Okay, so the form has loaded, and bear in mind that you need to be 18 years plus, that's 18 years and above, for you to be able to join this High Flyers community. Okay, so you have to fill in your details here. I'm going to rush and fill in my own details. Okay, so I'm getting my account now. I'm filling my details. It says first name. Put in your first name. Okay, the first name is your normal name. And put in your last name, which is your surname. Make sure you put in your middle name, very important. You can't sign in without putting your middle name. Then go to gender. Go to gender and select your gender, male. Okay, I'm selecting female here. Then go to your skin tone. I'm going to select this. Okay, so skin tone, I'm choosing for medium. Then your email, input your email here. Okay, so let me input my email. Date of birth, location. Mind you, the only countries that are available for this is Kenya and Nigeria. I think Ghana too is also available, but I'm not seeing Ghana here. Well, we move on. So select your country and input your phone number here. Okay, so I'm going to put my phone number, and you have to make sure that your phone number is active, because they said also note that your airtime reward will be sent to this phone number. Okay, what is your network provider? You select your network provider. For mine is MTN. Then here you put your NIN, your ID number, right? So how did you hear about us? Say maybe, let's say social media. Yeah, so make sure that the referral code that is showing there is this. Make sure that the referral code that is showing there is this. That's the only way you can be able to enter in, or by default it is this. Okay, so the next thing is for you to fill in details for participation reward. Select your bank. Okay, let's select my bank. We are not able to process payment to Paycom, meaning they can't process payment to OPay. Paycom is OPay, so you choose another bank, So for me, let me choose then you agree to terms and conditions. Choose I confirm. No, I am not. I agree. I certify, or click verify and sign up. So verification completed, and they said instructions on how to submit your photos, blah blah blah. These are tasks that you have to complete, and okay, so instructions on how to complete these tasks will be sent to you, and the rest of it. Okay, so meanwhile I will still cover this tax stuff in my next video, but for now we're heading over to create our account and start referring people. Okay, so you can see in my email already, so I'll click accept invite, and you have been invited by High Flyers, and I've accepted the invite. Okay, so you can click this sign in. From here you can sign in to your account, but if you can't see this icon here, you can simply use the link in the description, the second link in the description of the video to sign into your account. Just like I said here, okay, it's still the same signing in. I've already verified my account by using the link they sent me in my email. So you can see that I've already signed in. This is my account, signed in, and already my account balance is 1k because I just signed in now. Okay, so you can see details of what you can do here. Make referrals, refer friends and family to Google. Okay, so this place is Hugo Tech. Refer friends and family to Google, earn from your successful referrals. When the referral is verified and they have completed a task, the referral is deemed successful and you get 3k. Okay, max 3k per referral. Refer as many people as you like. Terms and conditions, limited time only. This offer is only valid for a limited time or until the user cap has been reached. Now, how do I know when a referral is successful? You get a notification email when your referral is successful after they have completed a task. You can also see your earnings in the dashboard. That's here. How do I get paid? You'll be able to see your earnings in your dashboard. When you click cash out, the payout request will go to Hugo. Hugo processes payments at the end of each month and you will get paid to your designated bank account. So when is this offer valid until? Hurry, the program is only valid for a limited time only. What does this verification mean? To be successful, a referral needs to be verified against their ID and complete a task. So in my next video, I'll be talking about the tax part of this program. Okay, so the tax part is coming from the email that they initially sent to your account, because in that email, that's where you will now see, like this email, this one, now you see it, high flyers. Okay, so here you can see welcome to high flyers. To participate in this project, you must meet the following requirement: 18 plus, based in Nigeria, Ghana or Kenya. Okay, so you can see that Nigeria, Ghana, and Kenya are involved. Have a Gmail account. You can go through all these things. Okay, participant fee of 5,000 will be paid within 5 working days of completion of approval. Referral bonus of this will complete the tax. Yes. Okay, so once you complete the tax, you paid 5k. Once your referral completes the tax, you pay 3k. Okay, so please proceed with the following steps. Submit your photos using the simple steps outlined here. Once you have submitted your photos, fill out this form. Okay, so let me just kind of like round up everything because I want to close this video. You need to snap at least 200 to 250 photos of you using your smartphone. After snapping it, please download the Google Photos app and make sure you back up all those 200 photos or 250 photos to your Google Photos. After backing it up, you can come back to this email and click on this step 1, this here sign here from step 1. Click here and it will lead you to the next page where you have to start your tax immediately. And once you have submitted your photos, then you fill out this form that is here. Thank you. In our next video, we'll talk about this. Peace out.